One of the biggest challenges with getting into FPV is that you have to learn to solder. But Rotor Riot has just released a product that is supposed to solve that problem.
I don't even want people to know what beta flight is anymore. I just want them to plug in their drones and go fly.
Drew Camden hates beta flight. This right here is the Rotor Riot solder-free build kit. And the promise of this kit is that everything comes pre-soldered. A total noob, as long as you can work a screwdriver, you can put it together and you can have a flying quad without ever picking up a soldering iron. And they sent it to me to review it. And I'm like, I can build a real quadcopter. So I don't really see what value there is in me putting this together and going, oh yeah, it worked. I wish that there was somebody who was like kind of a noob who could put this quadcopter together for me and we could see how long it takes them to do it.
Hey!
Ken!
How you doing?
I'm glad you're here.
Hey!
You're the perfect guy.
Oh, I am the perfect guy. A lot of ladies say that.
I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're gonna learn something today. All right, Ken.
Yeah?
I appreciate you coming into this, man.
Oh.
All the tools are right there.
The tools, yeah.
All the supplies are right there.
Right.
Look, there's a full build tutorial that Rotor Riot put out. It's 25 minutes long. I want you to watch the whole thing. You shouldn't need me for anything.
I feel like this is a test.
Yeah, you're gonna do great. Let me know when it's done, okay?
Yeah, but there's no instructions in here. That's usually the first thing that I throw away. I'll watch the video. I'm sure I'll be fine.
While Ken gets to work in there, I feel like I need to let you know that this is not a tutorial about how to build the drone. What I really want to know here is just how fast can somebody with as little experience as Ken actually complete the task of building a drone by themselves for the first time. And yeah, although Ken has a lot of experience with DJI Mavic style drones, he has never built an FPV drone all by himself.
All right, I've put together a frame before. No pressure, just doing this with Joshua Bardwell in his house.
Through a solder-free build. When you
I don't need that. I can do this. I'm smart. I'm a drone guy. I can figure this out. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? 4 motors, little dip-de-doos. We got the Cadix thingamawhatsits.
Now here's the reason that the Rotor Riot solderless build kit is such a big deal. Because not only can you assemble the whole quadcopter without picking up a soldering iron, but you do not have to plug it into the computer at all. The flight controller and the ESC come pre-configured. Literally, you put the dang thing together, you put the props on, you take it out, and you fly it. At least that's the promise. We're gonna find out if it's true today.
So that's the bottom. The arms go on the bottom. No. See, there's the added pressure. Joshua Bardwell could come in at any minute and see that I've done pretty much nothing so far. Yeah, oh yeah. That definitely goes like that. Oh, great. There's like 11 different lengths of screws here. Fantastic. So here's the stiffener. It is kind of fun seeing it come into shape.
Ooh, y'all know what Ken drives? Check this out. Mazda RX-8. Freaking rotary engine, baby. Ask him how many engines he's put in it.
Oh man, look at that thing. Look at that. Looks like a Hemi. Oh, that's a diesel right there. Doesn't it? That's going in there. I got it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Like it was done at the factory.
Hey, Ken.
Huh?
Sorry to interrupt you, man.
Yeah.
Do you, can I see the key to your car? Can I just see it?
See it?
Yeah, can
You haven't seen a key to an RX-8 before?
I haven't. I actually really used to like the RX-8 back in the day.
There it is.
Wait a minute. That looks like a credit card, man. That's your car key right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah. Oh!
I'll bring it right back.
Sure, yeah, okay. All right, all right. I know Joshua's busy up there doing God knows what, so I'm not going to call him and pester him about rubber gummies. I'm going to figure it out on my own, and it will be immensely satisfying once I do. Bardwell said that he can assemble this in 30 minutes. I think I've spent more than that on just these stupid gummy things. Son of a motherless goat. It's crazy. Just go in there. Go in there. Bardwell's going to come down here and go, oh yeah, why didn't you just use the gummy tool? I'm probably the gummy tool.
Where's the starter?
Well, I'll get that spacer right. These in here. I'm building a quad. I'm pretty cool, huh? Probably an easier way of doing this. You guys are like going, oh, hey, Ken, you should have done this first. Yeah, you're probably right. Oh, my goodness. I'm doing it the hard way, I know. Good God almighty. Oh, I just want to fly it. I've installed the Hemi. What next? I'm going to put the motors on. Tighten up this plate now. I don't want it all loosey-goosey when I'm putting the motors on. People say loosey-goosey anymore? I never know what the kids are saying these days. All I know is this is lit. We're not saying lit anymore, right? Oh, hey, that took you a while. What were you doing?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay. Thanks.
It's a nice
Yeah.
key. It's a really
I'm
nice
glad you
key.
enjoyed the key.
I did.
All right, so I got all of these motors on. Now I'll use these easy connectors to just hook up the motors. It's got the dum-dum thing where you can only put it on one way. That's good for me. My goodness, it's starting to look like a quad. Huh, kind of proud of myself already. One Cadex air unit. More instructions. They included wires that needed to be soldered, but we don't need these. This has always been a tricky part for me. I've replaced some air units before, and you don't want to keep pulling these out of the brass will get worn out, and then you're hosed. Good, good, good. Almost done. We're almost ready to fly. Almost
Really?
ready. Oh, yep, yep. It definitely won't be dark by the time I'm done this.
Looks like you're doing a real good job, man.
Oh, thank you. That's very encouraging.
Yeah.
Are you lying just to make me feel better?
No, man, you're doing great.
Okay, thanks.
Get everything all mounted up. You got it all. Dang, dude. You got it.
There you go.
And now, yup.
Whoop. Oh, man.
You're so close, Ken.
I know.
You're so close.
Were we going to be able to fly before it gets dark?
Well, depends on how fast you build it.
All right. Oh, yeah. Red electrical tape. Oh, it's going to be fancy. I actually own the Skyliner HD bind and fly version. I have never completely built a quad from scratch before. The soldering didn't stop me from doing it. Mostly laziness did, but just popping those on there without having to figure out, where to put the wire for UART this and that and this and whatever, and screwing stuff up and blowing stuff up. That is very, very cool. I'm going to do what Drew did and neaten these wires up by just kind of getting them to bend a little bit closer to the frame. Oh, I'm heading towards the finish line. It does get more exciting knowing that you can fly your own build. I honestly thought it was going to be more difficult than this. This is going to open things up for a lot of people that wanted to get into FPV but were afraid to build and bind and beta flight and bullshit. All right, so now I just put the top on here and I think I'm done. Then I can have teacher come grade me. It really is quite an honor and a unique opportunity to have Bardwell helping me with this. And of course, Rotor Riot helping me with the equipment. All right, I think that's it. It looks like a quad. I'll put the battery thing, well, what's it's on there? I'm sure this has a special name. And that goes like that. Make sure it's centered. Oh, yeah. All right, let me call the boss.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Now he's dodging me.
Hey, Ken. What's up?
Hey, I think I'm ready to be graded, Teach.
Oh, cool. Okay, I'll be down in 1 second.
Okay. Uh-oh. I've got a part left over. Does it matter? Is it like IKEA furniture and it doesn't matter? Yeah. Oh, hey!
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, man.
I'm done.
I can't believe you built this.
Yeah.
I mean, I always knew you would succeed.
Well, I gotta be honest with you. I have an extra part left over.
I'm going to let you hold on to
I
that.
was trying to hide it when you came in the door. You know what carbon fiber tastes like?
I mean...
Doesn't taste
Yeah?
good. I think this goes actually
Where do you think it goes?
there, right under there maybe. That's
Oh,
where-
that makes a lot of sense.
So I'll do that, and then
Okay.
we'll be done. I'll wipe my spit
Little
off,
jam
of it, of
piece
course.
in there. Okay, yeah, a little reinforcement piece there.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
no
yeah,
big
yeah.
deal. We got a couple loose screws here.
Oh yeah, I was gonna button those up.
Yeah, no problem. This is amazing. Alrighty, Ken, we're gonna plug in the battery for the very first time. I don't even think we're gonna use a smoke stopper. Let's just trust the process. Trust the process. Do it.
For it.
Do it. Yo, yeah, for you,
Okay.
man. Do it. 3, 2, 1. No smoke. So far, so good.
All right. So you do have to.
We still have to activate it with the DJI. Of course, it's a DJI product. They can't pre-activate it for us because once you activate it, that associates the warranty with your address. So they didn't
You have to
pre-activate
put
it.
your account in there. And
All right, we'll take it down and we'll reactivate it, and then we'll fly it. Okay. Good, front, back. Yeah, looks like she's okay. I guess I'm just gonna watch you from here. Hey!
Pretty good.
Oh, you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing. You can fly.
Yeah.
Heck. That's it. It worked.
It does. It works fine.
Just as promised.
Huh.
Just put it together. No solder.
Look
No
at
beta
me.
flight.
This is very satisfying to have done that. Wow. I'm confident enough to even go near my car. Flying around the Bardwell compound here.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, this is great.
This has been something that has been a long time coming in FPV. And everybody says, why doesn't somebody do it? And it's like, it's not rocket science, and no one has done it until now.
I can tell you that. Oh, do I go under the fence? Do I even dare go under
Oh,
the fence?
I mean,
I think I can do it. These rates aren't. I did it. All right. I can tell you this, that you have more freedom to take chances with your flying, knowing that you can repair it yourself.
it's true.
Yeah, I'll bring it in.
No, keep flying it, Ken.
Do
Finish
you
your
think
flight.
that I'm good enough to bring it in and land it on the table here in front of us? Am I that good? Do you
I don't
trust
know,
me?
man. Do you think you're that good?
Well, I have been practicing. Is there anything in the way? I don't want to hit you.
It's just you.
No, listen
just
to me.
you.
That's me, though. I come up with these crazy ideas, and then I break something. Okay, I'm coming in over the hedges.
Cool, I trust you.
Do you? Okay, coming in over the hedges.
Do you know where the disarm switch is, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to hit myself. Oh! That was a little high, but I did it.
It's a glass table.
Oh,
It's
you
okay.
got it.
The table's okay. You got another battery?
Oh, yeah, dude. You want to fly
Let me
it?
fly it. Oh, it flies good. It flies good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a fun quad right there.
There's not a lot of prop wash oscillation. I mean, it's got good handling. The low rates are certainly helping because when you have low rates, it doesn't snap really hard.
Have you flown a Skyliner before?
No, I don't think I have. But the prop wash oscillation is just going to be what it is. You can't hide that with rates. That's just good motors, good PIDs, good build.
Well,
Flies really good.
thank you.
see if I can bring it in for a landing without hurting.
on the table? Yeah, do it. Here it comes. This is how a pro does it.
No pressure.
What could go wrong? Oh!
The disarm switch goes the other way.
Yeah, you were about 2 inches from your hand.
The disarm switch goes the other way. I pulled on the disarm switch how I usually do it. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. We're all good. Alrighty, Ken.
Yes.
The light is going down, sir.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you so much for coming out to build this and to show people how just about anybody who can turn a wrench
Even
can
me.
build their own.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to say that part.
That was immensely satisfying.
Yeah.
And to have the master
Oh,
available.
well.
I mean, you were running around.
I really
doing other
appreciate
stuff.
you letting me get all that other stuff done that I was doing.
Yeah, you're a busy guy. You're a busy guy. I understand that.
You have a really nice car.
Oh, thank
I
you.
really appreciate your car.
Yeah. The engine was a little warm. Did you start it?
So anyway, the solderless build kit, link in the video description if you want to pick one of these up and do it yourself. Even if you know how to build, as Ken pointed out, it's so nice to be able to just repair stuff without ever pulling out a single soldering iron, and just no Betaflight, no BL Heli. It's all 100% ready to go. Super cool.
GPS drone guys, don't let the whole FPV process scare you. It's becoming more and more simple.
Yeah, yeah, cool. That's gonna do it. Oh, see, my wife's back.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're gonna finish
She brought
up.
the pizza.
Happy flying, you guys.
Patrons are the people who make all this possible. Not to disrespect you, because you're watching all the way to the end, which really helps the analytics. So I guess without you watching, none of this would be possible. But if you would subscribe or join my Patreon, $2 a month or more, it's up to you. Or at the very least, leave a comment or click the affiliate links and do the show. Isn't it a beautiful day? Man, the lighting looks good out here. What's up, y'all? Out for a walk.